This is wide enough to pick up and put everything in. Hi everybody, my name is Scott Smith. I'm one of the owners of Ceramic Pro Peoria, also known as Detail Peoria. We are an elite dealer that has been established for almost a year now. An elite dealer, as far as I know, top 200 dealers in North America. We actually get a chance to sell Ceramic Pro products that only elite dealers can sell, such as the ion coating and Cavacha films. We got involved in Ceramic Pro last year at SEMA. We actually had an appointment to see the folks in the booth, meet with them, because at the current time we were affiliated with another brand and weren't liking the direction that we were headed in that way. And so we sat down with Brett and Adam and we had a great conversation. Went back to the hotel and the next day decided we'd come back. We'd sign an elite contract. Welcome to Ceramic Pro Peoria, and this is a grand tour of our shop. So what we have is, this is our lobby area where we bring customers in. This is where we make the magic happen with the customers. We bring them in, show them everything that we have. So as you can see where the blue tile is on our floor, this is our wash bay. This is where we bring the cars in for decontamination. We have a 100-foot hose. We can actually go outside and wash larger vehicles if we need to, if we can't fit them in the shop. So what we have here is we have a two-door system, so when we can bring the cars in, this door here, we'll roll them right into the wash bay, and once they're washed, they'll either head toward the PPF room or they'll head in the back for polish and or paint correction in the back. We roll over here and we'll see this area we generally keep for our coatings and or overflow for the PPF room and tint. So that way this is kind of a staging area for all of those, because we do have air-conditioned units so that we can keep the dust and debris down for those two jobs. In the PPF room we also do window film. As you can see, the guys and gals are our certified protection specialists are installing Cavacha, Ceramic Pro's top line Ultimate IR window film and the Cavacha PPF. What we have here is our lift is for the PPF so that the guys don't have to work on the floor. Keeps debris off of the product as well. And behind me you can see a lot of lights, and from up above we had a electrical firm come in that was very specified as far as the lighting for this particular application for paint protection film and window film, because we need the right lighting for the automotive industry. So we have up above and it's on the sides. In turn, what we do is also we have a plotter here where we plot all of our window film and our paint protection film. So we have the guys and gals set up so that they can do all theirs. We use the core software program. So this is all of our inventory that we have as far as the Cavacha ceramic IR, Ultimate IR film, and then also the Cavacha paint protection film. Here we have our coffee bar, espresso bar, water for the customers. So the customers actually can sit and hang out for short jobs like window film or the usual car wash. So that way they're comfortable, they can actually watch and they can see everything that we do. So it actually kind of helps us out because it holds us accountable for what we do. This shop we moved into will be 2 years in January this year. We have been moved from a 2,000 square foot shop into this almost 7,000 square foot. We had 2 employees. We are at 10 now, looking to hire more. In fact, we have another job interview today, so we are looking to expand and to get into bigger and better things with Ceramic Pro. Well, now we want to take you outside and show you our latest tool that we've just purchased. That's our new Concierge pickup and delivery system for the customer. Come on out. This is the newest addition here at Ceramic Pro Peoria. This is our Intech trailer, custom built with the Rail Rider system inside. So like Ceramic Pro protects your car, we're going to protect your car on the pickup and delivery for in the transport. So there's A, no miles put on your car, and B, it's going to be completely weatherproof. So there's no open carrier, there's no crawling in and out of the car, you name it. We have you protected from top to bottom, inside and out, just like Ceramic Pro does on the exterior and interiors of your cars. The team at Ceramic Pro has been very helpful as far as getting to learn their products, getting to learn their software. I can probably guarantee that I have at least 5 or 6 people, guys and gals, numbers in my cell phone that I reach out to them at most times of the day, that they can give us answers to the problems we have, whether it's with a plotter or software, pricing, product knowledge, which for us was very helpful because we came over from another brand. We came up with the Certified Protection Specialist just for the simple fact that everybody in our building has been to training classes. We send them through and we constantly train because this industry is always changing, whether it's advances in paint or it's advances in products. We want to make sure that our certified specialists know exactly what they're dealing with each day. Any advice I'd give any new upcoming elite dealer, ask a lot of questions. They can provide a lot of value in this, and they're actually behind you as far as technical support, internet support. They're always trying to help promote the products, which in turn helps you sell product. That's one reason that we really chose Ceramic Pro for that fact. Always evolving, seeing different generations of the PPF already. So we're excited to where their next step is headed. And that's a tour today of Ceramic Pro Peoria. If you're ever in the Peoria, Illinois area, stop by and say hi, or meet my wife Sue, or see one of our certified protection specialists. Well, thank you, and adios, motherfucker.
That's so funny.